Alright, welcome back everybody to Operation Eclipse. This is Commonwealth and France, turn 2. We will start out with our tech rolls, and we are going to roll for anti-submarine warfare and radar again. And that is a fail on both. Alright. Go ahead and do France's tech roll while we're over here, and we'll do heavy armor. And that one succeeds. Would have traded it for one of the other two, but all good. Alright. For buys, the UK has $12 to spend. They're going to be spending 6 on infantry, 4 on marine, 2 on a militia upgrade. That's going to be all 12, and then they'll collect 12 at the end. FEC is going to be buying a militia and an infantry and a militia upgrade. They'll use all 5, and they will collect 5 at the end. And then ANZAC is going to be adding nothing, save its money, and collect 3, and they will have 7 at the end. For movement, let's see. So this transport is coming down 1, picking up the AA and the infantry, and then moving 2, 3. And it's going to go into port in Aden with these offloading. These ships are going to stay there, I think, for yeah, let's go over here first. Okay. The artillery and the infantry are going to hop on this transport, and we're going to strategic naval move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into I-11. Drop those off in Calcutta. And we will go in port in Calcutta with that transport. The transport in Hong Kong is also going to do the same thing, go into port in Calcutta, with the British infantry from Hong Kong being dropped off there as well. Our infantry from Ceylon is going to walk up over into southern India. Our ANZAC destroyer light cruiser is going to move 1, 2, 3 into I-7. I think that's got this side of the board handled. So we'll go back up here. Our transport is going to pick up infantry and mountain infantry and go 1, 2, 3 to A44. It's going to drop off that mountain and that regular infantry into Gibraltar. Our transport in A18 is going to pick up the 2 infantry from Ottawa. And it's going to come over 1, 2, 3 into A21. It's going to drop off the infantry into southern England. And it's going to go into port in southern England as well. Alright, the torpedo boat destroyer is going to come over and is going to be in A21. Our coastal defense ship is going to move over 1 to A22. And then the rest of our ships from A21 are going to come down and go to A44 with the exception of the submarine. So these ships are going to come down and they will be in A44. And all the ships in A44 are going to stay there. So that's going to be one big fleet that I'll make a fleet marker for. Let's see. I think that's got all of that. The submarine is going to come 1, 2. It's going to be in A23. And then, yeah, these ships over by Aden are going to come up into the Mediterranean, and they're going to be in M8. And then I think that has got all of the British moves completed. So we can place our buys. See, so the FPC infantry is in Calcutta, and the militia upgrade is in Delhi. Oops. And then the British militia upgrade is going to be in Western Egypt. One of the infantry is going to be in Cape Town, and then the infantry and the marine are going to be in London. And yeah, that's got the British taken care of. So we'll move over to France. France is going to be buying 3 militia for $6, saving 1, and then collecting 7 to go to 8 in the bank. So we'll go ahead and pick these guys up, bring them over here. The transport that is in I-4 is going to pick up the infantry, and it's going to strategic naval move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop the infantry off into southern France and go into port in southern France. It is going to be joined in port by the 2 French battleships. The transport that was already there is going to come out and go 1, 2, 3, and it's going to end its turn in M8. The 3 submarines that are in M8 are going to go 1, 2, 3 into I7. One of these French destroyers is going to come over into M8, and the other destroyer is going to come up into A21. A infantry that was already in southern France is going to come over into Aquitaine, and then all of the rest of the units in France are going to stay where they are. The medium bomber that is in northern Algeria is going to go on maritime air patrol into M2. So we'll find that marker somewhere. Here we go. That is a big marker. Size that down a little bit. Right. And we'll have that here in AM2. Right, and I think that has got France completed. So we will go ahead and place our militia. 1 is going into Aquitaine, 1 is going into Paris. Actually, we're going to put both, 2 of them into Paris. And that will be that. Okay. Go ahead and put this here so he's more visible. Okay, yep, that is going to be the end of the French turn now. And like I said, we already collected our income, so everything is squared and set. And we will pass the game off to the Electron for Italy turn 2.